everybody, this is Lisa from Pressure Crisp, and today we're going to be making buffalo chicken wings in the Ninja Foodi. These are fresh chicken wings, they're not frozen, so we're not going to be doing the pressure part of the recipe. We're actually just going to go ahead and put these wings in the basket. The basket's already in there. We're just going to pour them in, like so. And we're just going to make sure they're not sitting on top of one another. They say the basket can hold about 2 pounds, but I actually go less because I want them really crispy. So what you're going to do, you're going to lower the lid. You're going to turn your Ninja on. You're going to go to Air Crisp. It's already set for 390. We're going to keep it on 390. The time, we're actually going to go up to 30 minutes. I like mine really crispy. This is what I do, but you can air crisp them anywhere from 25 to 30 minutes. You can set an alarm on your phone, or if you have some kind of an alarm that will ring you if you're in a different room. After 15 minutes, you want to come check on these wings, turn them over, and just see how they're doing. So we're just going to press start. As you can see, we're a few minutes late. So what we're going to do, check the wings. You're just going to open the lid. And what happens is the Ninja actually stops the time at 13:40. So we're just going to look at the wings. We're going to flip them over. Just like that. And then we're going to let them cook for another 13 minutes and 40 seconds. So they're all flipped. You're just going to lower the lid, and the Foodi automatically starts back up again. So they've been cooking for 30 minutes. The Ninja actually went to cool, and now it's shut off. So I'm going to go ahead and open the lid. I'm not sure if you can see that really well there, but they are really crispy and brown. Look at that. I'll show you up close. That is really, really crispy. And I didn't have to add any oil or anything. It's just gorgeous. So what I'm going to do is take these wings out, some of them, because we're actually going to season them a couple different ways. So I'll take 3 out right now. What I'm going to put on these is the Frank's Red Hot Wing Buffalo Sauce. I find this delicious. You don't have to mix it with like Frank's Red Hot with butter or anything. And what I find the easiest thing to do, let me just move it over here for a second, get the Frank's Red Hot out of the way. You're going to put a lid on here with Frank's Red Hot, and you're just going to give it a shake. And that's all there is to it right there. That's all you have to do. Once again, make sure you open this away because I have been splattered in the past. Oh, and that's all there is to it. I mean, these are just gorgeous, gorgeous wings. And if you want extra hot sauce, you can put it on the side, or if you want blue cheese, you can do basically whatever you want. But that's the finished product, and it's just amazing. Look at that. All right, thank you so much for watching the video. Please subscribe, and I'll be looking forward to doing more of the Ninja Foodi recipes. Thank you.